request. My question is, based on the data, and I know you have it, because I know you talked to our folks up in Washington. Based on that data, do you feel that as a community that we were wronged by FINRA and by the SEC? Do you have a personal opinion about that? That's my question, and I have a request.
Yeah, I've got a personal opinion, and that is that I believe that they saw a run on the market and that they changed by a matter of a day the selling of that stock. And in that day, the price went down, as it would have in any market. But I do have a problem with what they did. But we have repeatedly understood that the new company chooses not, this is an OTC, this is not a big company, that they have chosen not to release the amount of shareholders that they had. But it did say that if anybody that had their shares, that they did not intend for them to be able to be traded. And somebody hung in, I agree with you. It was pulled out, the rug was pulled out underneath you in the last 24 hours. But the price of the market went like this over that period of time. So we tried our best. As you know, it's now in federal court. As you now know, the SEC has charged them. These SEC things take a year or two or so. And I've not given up on trying to figure out what they're going to do.
To rebuttal that, if I can?
Yes, sure.
Okay, so the charges pending against John and George, those charges have nothing to do with the shorting of our stock. The reason the stock plummeted is because the market makers, the hedge funds, and the broker dealers they continued to short our stock to bring the price down, knowing that they were going to halt our stock.
Then why knowing that ahead of time, why did you wait till the last day?
Because we had 2 more days to trade. On the 9th and the 12th, we were supposed to close position only.
It was in a free fall.
Because what?
No, I'm not. I'm saying
It was closed position only. That means that on the 9th and the 12th, wait a second. On the 9th and the 12th, if the market makers, the brokers, and the shorts were supposed to close the positions, there would have been a run up on the market because we would have been able to set the price. That's why they halted it, because they saw what was coming. They being FINRA, the SEC, the market makers, they saw what was coming, and they halted our stock, denying us the last few days of trading, and trapped us. We lost all of our money.
there's a woman who lost $12 million on this.